How to search for codes in ChatGPT. Before starting the video, let me make it very clear that I'm not a software engineer or IT expert, so I do not know the basics of coding. But what you can generally do from here is to give some of the prompts that can help you to develop some of the codes that you might need. For an example, I'm using a simple method of generating a code to play snake game on my browser. So what I would do is I will give a prompt to ChatGPT. See, it has already given me the code. You can simply copy this and paste it on your canvas. So here you can see I have given it the next prompt that I would add Eiffel Tower. I'm sorry for this spelling. And it has re-optimized the coding for me. I will be able to see Eiffel Tower on my game too. You can see the code is being generated. So here you can see it has already generated me codes for my snake game with Eiffel Tower on it. So this is one of the methods that you can generate codes on ChatGPT. So if you're a developer, make sure you're good in prompts so that you can produce any types of code that you want. So basically that's it. And I hope this tutorial really helped you. And if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment.